In 2004, the Horstmeyers made the decision to acquire a feed store from the Tucker family, and with this purchase, Horstmeyers opened their doors in the city of Sanford. What's better than having a business locate in Sanford is having a business stay in Sanford. Let's speak with the Horstmeyers and learn more about this business and their new location.
Hey from Horstmeyers, my name is Annie and this is my husband Doug, and we just are really happy to be a part of this opportunity and share a little bit about who we are and what we do here in Sanford.
Well, we offer everything for your pet and all your pet needs. Annie, you have some details on that you might want to share?
Sure, if you have an animal, we can feed it, be it a little puppy dog or a kitty cat or great big horses and all kinds of things. So whatever you need, we can supply the food, the medications, all the extra things that you need to keep them warm and comfortable and healthy. We are happy to be a part of Sanford and just be a part of this establishment. We recently moved from our location on Laurel Avenue to this larger facility. It used to be the Sanford Herald location, and we are really happy that we were able to stay within the city boundaries. Sanford has so much to offer. We are very pleased to be here. It's a larger facility. It incorporates our large warehouse in the back, and we're just really happy to be growing and changing and making a difference in this town and for our customers, because we can hold more product, we can supply more needs, and it's just a really great place, and we're excited to be here and stay in Sanford.
We also have a warehouse facility, and it's basically our distribution center for hay. We receive in about 10 semi-loads of hay a week and sell somewhere around 350,000 bales. And in that, we service other feed stores in Florida and Georgia. So these feed stores will call us and they'll place orders, and we'll deliver product to these feed stores throughout the state and also in Georgia.
It's really exciting to see Horstmeyer growing and expanding in Sanford. There's been a feed store here for over 50 years. Horstmeyers bought the business in 2004 and have carried the tradition on. Many people come from all over to visit Horstmeyer, and then they get to enjoy all the growth and exciting new businesses we have in downtown Sanford. It's really rewarding to see a business that's been around this long continue to grow and thrive in our CRA district.
We are a family-owned business and proud to be that. We've been here for 18 years now. 2 of our sons work with us. Even our grandchildren are a part of who we are, and they come in on busy days and they'll load shelves and help customers, and it's really a wonderful opportunity for them. Looking forward towards the future, we hope that they will always be a part of Horstmeyers and that we will be a part of Sanford. With 10 grandchildren, I think that we'll make this happen, so we're pretty excited about the future. Thank you.